Next time you're in a crowded sports bar, just look straight up. There's a really good chance there is this massive, vibrating loudspeaker suspended right over your head.
Yeah, directly over your table, usually.
Right, and the only thing stopping it from, crashing down into your food is this piece of steel you've probably never even thought about. So today we're doing a deep dive into a commercial AV product page for exactly one of those pieces of steel.
The QSC AD-YMS10-BK Yoke Mount, to be specific.
Exactly. Okay, let's unpack this. It's basically a black metal bracket, but it costs $227. I mean, compare that to the flimsy disposable plastic wall mount you get for free with your living room soundbar.
Oh, it's a completely different universe. That plastic living room mount is, well, it's an afterthought. It's designed to hold maybe 5 pounds in a perfectly climate-controlled room.
Right, totally different stakes here.
Exactly. But a commercial yoke mount is an actual engineered safety device.
Yeah.
It's built specifically to suspend a massive piece of equipment called the QSC AD-S10T.
And that's, what, a 10-inch, 250-watt loudspeaker?
Yeah, 250 watts. Which, it sounds like a lot of power, but you really have to think about what that actually means for the bracket holding it up.
It means violent vibration, right? Like it's literally shaking.
Spot on. At 250 watts, pushing massive volume in a loud commercial space, that speaker cabinet is physically shaking. If you put that much kinetic energy onto a cheap piece of metal, you'd get micro vibrations that would eventually cause metal fatigue.
Oh, wow. So it would just fail?
It would literally just snap.
Yeah.
So for that $227, you are buying heavy-duty steel engineered to absorb that kinetic energy. It safely suspends heavy weight indoors or outdoors and allows installers to aim the sound perfectly without it slipping over time.
Okay, the physics of absorbing all that vibration makes total sense. But if this is just pure, dumb, heavy-duty steel, then why does the manufacturer list it as shipping with the latest firmware?
I love this detail so much.
I mean, does this piece of metal actually have a hidden microchip inside it to automatically adjust the angle or something?
No. Steel is just steel. There are absolutely no microchips or software updates for a metal bracket. What you're seeing there is actually this fascinating glitch in an automated e-commerce system.
Oh, thank goodness. Because that's like saying my trusty hammer needs a software update before I can drive a nail.
That is exactly it.
Yeah.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, it reveals the massive, complex marketplace operating just behind the scenes. Think of it like walking into an industrial bakery just to buy a single bag of flour, and the automated checkout asks if you need a forklift to load it.
Right, because the system is built for massive scale, so it just treats every item like a piece of heavy machinery.
Exactly. The seller here, HDTVSupply, they mostly deal in highly complex digital equipment. We're talking Wolfpack modular matrix switchers and AV over IP networks.
Okay, wait, what exactly is an AV over IP network?
It's basically the invisible digital plumbing that lets a massive venue like a stadium or a megachurch perfectly sync high-definition video and audio across hundreds of screens at once without any lag.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so because almost everything in this company's catalog is a complex, networked piece of digital tech, their automated storefront template just assumes this dumb steel bracket must need a software update too.
That completely changes how you look at the whole product page. It's really not a consumer storefront at all. Like, I noticed they offer a 5% discount if you pay by wire transfer.
Yeah, you definitely aren't wiring money from your checking account to buy a TV mount for your bedroom.
Right.
The warranty structure is another huge tell. It comes with a 3-year warranty, which automatically doubles to 6 years if you register the product. In the commercial world, that is a massive liability commitment.
6 years is a long time for a bracket.
It is. They are legally guaranteeing this bracket won't succumb to metal fatigue and drop a heavy speaker on someone's head for over half a decade. You also see this scale in the user reviews.
Oh, yeah, there's a review from a customer praising a specific employee, Rachel Christian, I think.
Yes, for her help navigating what they call complex requests. You don't need a dedicated account manager for a metal bracket. You need one when you're designing a multi-million-dollar integrated AV system.
So what does this all mean for you, the person listening to this deep dive? It really brings us back to that sports bar.
Next time you're having a meal, just look up.
Exactly. You are sitting safely beneath hundreds of dollars of specialized engineering that keeps those heavy systems perfectly aimed, all bought through this invisible industrial ecosystem functioning right above our heads.
And it highlights a really strange aspect of how we interact with digital storefronts today. We rely so heavily on automated product pages to tell us exactly what we were buying.
Which leaves us with a final thought to ponder. If a massive, trusted tech retailer automatically lists a solid steel bracket as shipping with the latest firmware, how many other phantom technical specifications do we just blindly accept when shopping online?
It definitely makes you think twice.
It really makes you wonder if that flimsy plastic mount you bought for your living room actually has the load-bearing specs it claims, or if you're just trusting another automated glitch in the e-commerce matrix.